Good morning, kindergarten. Happy Friday. Today is May 1st. It's a brand new month. So I flipped my calendar yesterday and I have a few birthdays. We actually have 3 birthdays coming this month. Next Monday on the 4th is our friend Ray's birthday. And then in the teens on the 17th and the 19th, Christian has a birthday and Campbell has a birthday. So don't write them in your calendar math yet, but as we go through the month, we have some friends with birthdays coming up. So I wanted to point that out, and we'll still celebrate even from afar, and maybe we'll even sing happy birthday on a Zoom call if we can get them on with us. So here's May for us. It's a month that has 31 days. My sneaky E is covering the end of our 31 though. There are some days off this month. There's Mother's Day is coming as well. And so we'll talk through all the good things that the month of May holds as we go. So for today though, it is the 5th month. January, February, March, April, May. So if you were to write our date today, it would be 5-1-20. And I don't have anything up yet for my pattern, so I'll just show you my first day. My first day for our pattern in May looks like this. It's a tulip. So I would probably choose to color red if I was starting this pattern in my calendar math. So start it as a red tulip on the number 1 on Friday today, May 1st. So there you go. Then if we were to keep counting how many days smarter you are, we stick another straw in here. We have one group of 100, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. So 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148 days smarter. 148. Wowzer. We've been at school a long time, huh? Yep. Then our password is have, H-A-V-E, have. Have you learned how to spell it? One of the things you could do today is I gave you each a little container of Play-Doh in your goodie bag last Friday. See if you can spell the word have with Play-Doh. So go ahead and write it in your password, on your password today. But I want you to see if you can roll out your Play-Doh and make H-A-V-E with Play-Doh letters today too. So that's a little thing for you. And then I want you to see if you can say your memory verse to your mom or your dad. 1 John 4:7. Let us love one another, for love is of God. 1 John 4:7. See if you can try it too. Okay. Fantastic. I want to show you something that warmed my heart. Just warmed my heart yesterday. I gave you a challenge this week to see if you could write me a letter. I wrote you letters last week, and I got 3 letters yesterday in the mail. I got one from Kaylee and one from Grayson, and I wrote a letter to our friend Kylie, and she even wrote me back. So the mail is working. So these were little treasures that I got yesterday from you. So thank you for taking the time to write me back. I miss your hugs too, and I love that you are playing with Legos and earning screen time and playing with Dad. That's a fun thing you can be doing right now at home, and it warmed my heart to hear from you. Okay, May, calendar math. Here's our May song. I'll teach it to you next week. Then there's a page about words that rhyme with May. Sometime this month, take a little time and do your rhyming words. Here's our May calendar. We'll color the number 1 red today. I also, though, gave you in this one a calendar for the month of June, and we'll just be going a few days into June, but I thought I'd give it to you anyway right now. Then, write the date. That one's one we know all about. Tally marks. Weather graph. And they're all sticky. Come off that copy machine. And here's your dice game as well. And then the regular pages we've had all along of counting to 100. And our hundreds, 0 the hero, and birthdays and teeth are still back there too for you, hopefully. So keep going on your new calendar math. Have today. This is a picture of you. So insert the word, read the sentences, and then you've got some drawing and coloring to do today as well. Okay, Then for reading and writing, our letter of the week is L, remember? So here's your L book. And I gave you your whole stack of L books. Or not L books, but your ABC books. So all the ones we've worked on at school are in here. I know that you've had a couple come home in the last few weeks. If you turn them back in, I'll grab them and then try to get them back out to you so you can put them back on your ring. If you still have them at home though, you can totally put these ones on these ones with the rest of them. But you're gonna highlight the L's, highlight the passwords, read the story, and then the other thing that was in your baggie is we gave you your big ABC book of all your pages that you've done so far in alphabetical order. So now instead of just doing a page separately, you can find the page in your book. And you'll notice in this book that there's some pages that haven't been done yet, and that's okay. Some of those pages we'll be doing together, and some of them, if you know we've already done that letter of the week, you can go back and write that page because maybe we didn't get a chance to do it in class, maybe you were absent that day, or something else, maybe we weren't at school on Friday and we didn't get a chance to do it that week. So you can go back and write them yourself. So I gave you your L page. L is for, and I wrote this part for you so you knew what page we were on. And I want you to write something that begins with L and another sentence or two or three because you are getting to be great writers. There's back pages so you can keep going. I did give you an extra 2 this week if you need an idea of something that begins with L. I threw in this fun little learn how to draw a lion page. So if you want to do L is for lion and then write me about lions, that's great. You can also use this to draw your own lion. This is kind of a cute little guy. And it shows you exactly how to do it. So that's your reading and your writing for today. And the last thing I have for you is a math game with your dice. Fill in the shape. You're gonna need a friend, a mom, a dad, a brother, a sister to play this game with you though. And you're gonna need 2 different colors. And you're gonna roll your dice and add up the numbers and color it in. So this could be a together activity. And as always, you can be working on Teacher Monster, you can be working on Rocket Math and Raz Kids and all those fun things. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. Go outside and look at the leaves. Enjoy what's outside as well. So I hope you have a great weekend. You did an awesome job learning this week. I can't wait to get some more of your letters. They just make my heart so happy to check the mailbox. So keep up the good work. Have a good weekend, and I'll see ya on Monday.